I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Zen on PS5. First, connect your Zen to your computer using a micro USB cable. Then, download and install the latest Zen Studio software from the official website. It's crucial to update your Zen's firmware to the most recent version for optimal performance. Finally, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is completely powered off before you attempt to connect the Zen device. Once your Zen is updated, connect its console USB port directly to your PlayStation 5 using a USB-C cable. Next, plug your PlayStation 5 controller into the Zen's A1 USB port. Now, you can power on your PlayStation 5. Keep an eye on the Zen's LED display. It should show a successful connection, indicating it's ready for use with your console. With your Zen connected, open Zen Studio on your computer. Navigate to the Programmer tab, which is where you'll select and load your desired game packs or custom scripts. Simply drag and drop them into the Zen's available memory slots. After arranging your chosen content, remember to save your configuration directly to the Zen device, ensuring it's ready for your gameplay. To fine-tune your settings while gaming, you can access the Zen's in-game menu. Typically, this is done by pressing a combination of controller buttons, such as L2, R2, and the Options button simultaneously. Within this menu, you can adjust game pack settings and modify parameters in real time. Experiment with different configurations to optimize your gameplay experience, and always save any changes you make.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.